Hey everyone, welcome to this video, and well, this is the continuation of the previous positions. As you can see, the position is running pretty well, and well, as I told you before, I have different positions around here, and on the last video we were entering the position over here, and it was kind of confused to see if the market was going to go oh, all the way again to the upside. Like for example, we retest over here. Let me take out everything we have here. Maybe the market was going to do something like, for example, like this, because as you can see, it always moving on waves. So we were on this move, and I was maybe expecting something like this, that it was going to take me out some positions and then to continue to the downside, or maybe even to this high. But as we can see, the market didn't do that, and we are going to the downside. So look, this was the first scenario, right? It's kind of a W. We were expecting to sell here, and well, the market didn't catch that move, and we're going to the downside. So now we can see the following. We have this, and this move may go all the way down here. Why here? Because this candle, it's our actual support, our actual supply and demand zone, and here is where the buying lots are ready. So the most accurate thing that I'm thinking of is that the market will reach these lows. We're going to get a bounce, and the bounce will end around here. Well, that's the scenario if we don't break like these lows like quickly, right? Because we are going to accumulate some buying positions and we're going to get the pressure to the upside. So look, we have this area that we are in right now, and well, let's check. Yeah, the market is supposed to stop over here, and maybe we can play around inside the zone, or maybe we're gonna break it. As you can see, we are trying to get out of the zone right now, but we're having selling pressure. So here is going to be a place where maybe the market will be a little bit, or maybe it's going to drop quickly. I'm hoping for the market to drop quickly, but in that case, we can look for another buying opportunity. That's the idea, right? If we have that direction, we can get a lot of different new opportunities. So for example, we have this move, right? So first of all, let's take out a Fibonacci to check our levels. Well, we haven't established that this is the low, so it doesn't make sense to put a Fibonacci. But what we can do is put this area, and we have this area too. So when if the market decides to reach those areas, we're looking for a sell. It's not complicated, as you can see. We're only looking for sells because we have that direction well established. We're going to the downside. Look, from February. And well, yeah, as you can see, trading is not that hard. The difficult part is putting the position and letting it run. Because, for example, yesterday that I was looking at the move trying to go to the upside, I was thinking like, should I take them out and try to re-enter again to keep those profits, or should I leave the positions and just try to re-enter even though if they take me out? And so that's the hard part, like taking decisions right when you have the positions and you are getting good profits, because the profits that I'm making over here are right now I have like 30% or 20% of my account, or yeah, kind of. So just applying this technique, like entering 1% and then risking it free, getting another entry 1%, risking it free, getting another entry 1%, risking it free. And well, yeah, basically that's how it's done, the scaling. And look at this great entry that happens. As you can see, this is the candle that start making the change. Okay, this is for sterling yen. And as you can see, this is the candle that started making the change. The market just went to the upside, tested, and went to the downside again. And so this is the perfect example, right? We were going to the downside and we get the highs and we sold. And for example, we can check that again. Maybe, well, here we're not testing it. Over here, yes, we are. Look, for example, we take it out and we retest it and we drop. Over here, we don't get that. And maybe in a higher time frame, we're gonna get a daily candle over here that will retest this one. And well, the same scenario happened here. So what can we look for now? We have this, and maybe we can sell. We can sell right now over here, as you can see, because the opportunity is great. for example, this is our stop loss. It's, oh, well, it's kind of a lot. And our take profit, we only take a Fibonacci backwards and we get our first target. And if we look back, maybe we're gonna see some structure. It's this one. No, it's this one. So it's kind of accurate. But the thing is, we have a lot of risk. We have 52 pips. I'm not usually entered to these kind of positions because I always looking for 30 pips, 20, 10. So yeah, it's kind of good, but not my ideal positions. But yeah, basically, as you can see, this is pretty impressive how these areas work. And that's my whole technique. I only looking for these kind of entries. I enter and I let the direction run. And well, look, Sterling Yen is finishing with a great doji, so it's kind of weird what we're gonna do now. Maybe we're gonna break, because as you can see, this was kind of a doji too. We have 3 candles, weekly candles, and then drop. So maybe we're gonna have weekly candles, drop, and then to the upside. I don't know, it's just an idea. It looks like a flag pattern, but also we are on a resistance level. But yeah, it looks interesting that we're going to break to the upside, I think. I'm just thinking because nobody can predict that market, right? And yes, basically that's the update of this week. As you can see, these positions are running pretty well. My target, as I showed you before on previous videos, just to the upside, and we have this one, and this is my target. And well, look, what I do always is I take some number ups. So we were on 90, we were on 5, I put it on 8. So that's my target. It's kind of a hidden trick that I use, but yeah, this is my target, and we have a lot of lots over here going to the downside. And look, if you haven't seen my videos yet, I'm gonna show you kind of the positions that I enter over there. As you can see, we have this one, this one, this one, and I enter another one that I didn't load, but as you can see, we're going pretty well. We're running all the positions, and we have right now 4 accumulated, and great risk rewards. As you can see, 1 to 12, 1 to 23, 1 to 14. And well, we are not like 100% sure that we're gonna get those targets, but if we got a good move to the downside, we can start putting the stop loss on places that we can start getting some good profits, like already like seeing it, like you mark them like, here is my stop loss and this is a profit that I'm already making. And well, the market keep going down and then you start moving your stop loss and like that, okay? So basically that's it for this video. I hope you get some new knowledge. If you like my content, follow my channel and give me the thumbs up. And well, yeah, see you in the next videos.